Hello, today it's a request from someone who's asked me how to make a thrown ring from a self-closing mock ring. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate today. I'm using some size 10 thread to hopefully make it a bit more visible for showing the stitches. And we're going to start with a bit of chain just to get us started. Just to have something to anchor our work to. So here's our bit of chain. And now we're going to start the self-closing mock ring. So I'm holding a loop with my finger here and bring it back to the pinch, and I'm going to start the self-closing mock ring. So we're just going to make a few stitches. This is no particular pattern, it's just to make a demonstration. So 3, 4, let's make 5 stitches on our self-closing mock ring. And now to make the thrown ring, I just let go of the shuttle I was holding in my right hand, and I take the shuttle that was wrapped around my left hand to make the thrown ring. Wrap it around my left hand, and now I'm making the thrown ring. So we'll just make 3 stitches, some decorative picots, 1 short, 1 longer, and 1 short, and 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and now we can close the thrown ring. So you can see that's my starting chain, and that's the beginning of my self-closing mock ring here with the loop that was around my finger when we started. And now I'm wrapping the thread of the shuttle I've just used to make the thrown ring back around my hand and carrying on with the chain. You want to make that first stitch very, very close to the base of the ring so there are no gaps. So 1, we were making 5, so we'll make 5 on the other side. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we pass the shuttle through the loop that we left at the beginning here and close the self-closing mock ring. That's it. And then of course you can carry on with whichever element comes next in your pattern. Here I can make another little bit of chain to match the other side. So again, always the first half stitch very close to the previous element so there are no gaps. So let's make 5 stitches, 3, 4, 5. So that's it. You can see here, so that's the chain we started off with. This element here is the self-closing mock ring in the middle, and the thrown ring coming off the self-closing mock ring here at the top. And then on the other side, we're continuing again with a chain. So that's it. I hope you find this helpful. See you next time. Bye-bye.